Okay, so my anxiety's kicking in, so I decided to finally leave this stuff in this box. Not changing my hoodie, but let's do a eyeliner. So first I'm gonna go in with Morphe. Always use this to start my shadows. Take these off. Okay. So I'm just gonna clean this. Normally I let my anxiety take me over, but not right now because I had a full anxiety attack yesterday. So we're gonna try something new. Clearly, I didn't clean my brush enough, but whatever. We're gonna go in Juvia's Place. So first, I don't know. I do it differently. People start with their transition. I don't. So I'm gonna go with this color because I'm pretty sure that's the darkest color I'm gonna do. I'm just gonna tap it on there, you guys. I can totally feel my anxiety. I feel crazy, but whatever. We're just gonna keep putting this on here until where I want it. So I just decided that I'm gonna try like a more detailed look than I normally do, and maybe me focusing on that detail will knock it out. So I'm just gonna attempt to blend this out, and whatever happens, happens. I don't know if you guys know, I can't see shit yet. I've decided I don't really have a plan at all, and that's okay because this is to distract me. I'm going to use this dirty palette. It's going with the orange. This is one of my favorite palettes. I always use this. I'm not using it now, but I haven't used this Juvia's Place in a long time, and I forgot how much leave out there is. Like, it came to me like, am I gonna post this? And if I post it, is it gonna be friends only or public? This look blended. Quick rant, as I'm doing this, I realized there's a reason I don't do orange and yellow, because it does this thing where when I put it on the lid, it like, when it settles, I can start to see like my skin or like the concealer. Like, how do you stop that? I don't know. Let's try. I'm gonna try setting spray. Maybe that'll stop it from doing that. I have these two, and I don't know which one I want to use. Actually, not. This is primer. We're gonna use this. While I'm waiting on that to dry, I have this. I have yet to use it. I really want to use this green. Like, maybe this blue, maybe? Okay, maybe this green and that dark blue. Like, hey, this is magnetized. Okay, anyway. I really just want to put some of the dark blue like in the corner and the green on the liner. It's highly possible this is going to come out hideous, but we're going to see. Yeah, so the only thing is, when you do blue, I feel like blue is a real commitment. Because this could really like make or break the look. So now I'm debating if I should do the green first. And just so you guys know, I decided to go with no boo. No. I'm scared boo. And this is the palette that I said. It has a lot of fallout. See how it's like darkening that corner? I probably honestly could have used purple, but it's not what I envisioned. You know? Just doing this. Yes. So I already started this. I'm just debating if I want it to go all the way down or if I just want it to be like, boom, there goes some green. I'm gonna try to get these to look like sisters. We're gonna make the white part green, and then I'm thinking I'm gonna take this down here and put some green there. That'd be Ooh, it's not coming out green. It's coming out yellow, dude. Or it looks yellow to me. This is my first time doing it look like this anyway, so okay, so this is what we have now, but I kind of liked it better with white. So now I'm thinking, should we do like white in between these colors, or above it, or in the middle? I didn't. Do I like it? I just really feel like this looks so janky. At this point, I'm mixing this with white concealer. I'm going to do this look for a minute, and now I'm doing it. And with your girl, Pat. Let's put it on. You guys ever lose your brush during putting makeup? So I bought this brush like a heck long ago. I don't know if you guys remember, it went viral. Never used it for my actual makeup, so let's try it. Drizzle, drizzle. That's probably like way too much. Comes out red, but okay. This is the first time I've ever like used this. Don't think it's alright. We're getting somewhere. Okay, we're getting somewhere. You guys don't know how happy I am that this is working on this white. Because I accidentally set it and I had like no faith. So I have a quick question. I've seen videos where like the girls are like, oh, I never put foundation on my forehead. Why? I was just always wondered why. So like I told myself the next time I did makeup, drop it on the white, shall we? That I was going not to put makeup on my forehead because I'm really curious. Like I really want to know why. This is really a struggle. Like, and the fact that I can't find any of my brushes, so I'm being forced. So lately I've been using like this, but this is like dead on my skin tone, so I'm gonna go in with this sample Hourglass. It is in the color Maple. Put it just right here. I'm just one of these days I'm gonna perfect my makeup look, and I still only have this, so let's do it. Trying to like bring this up if I am you know, but I mean, I guess if I blend it down, I blend it down. That's what contour, Kayla, contour. Literally had a contour brush and now I can't find it. We're gonna use this. It's been through some things. Take this. No, it's not the correct brush, but I'm making it do what it do, baby. So we're just going to bronze her up because I found my bronzer brush, which is gonna save your girl some time. So I saw this thing that said for my face shape, I need to do all this. No, all of it. Get it all, girl. Get it all. We're going to bronze this big ass forehead, yo. Get it, get it. Mind's business. Okay, face is coming together. I did put bronzer on my forehead, and now we need to do this nose. So just do here. Go wider here, skinny there. And really right there. So this is the look. giving rainforest, tropical, parrot. She's a cute parrot though. Wait,